Welcome to my review of the CYVIO 4K Solar Security Camera System. This is a wireless outdoor 4-camera kit that runs on battery and solar power, and it offers some impressive features that set it apart from the competition. First, let's talk about the long-range Wi-Fi. The system uses CYVIO's proprietary technology to achieve a signal range of up to 700 meters. That's about 2,300 feet. This means it can penetrate walls better than standard Wi-Fi cameras, making it ideal for large properties like warehouses, villas, or farms, where traditional cameras struggle to maintain a connection. Now the setup is truly set it and forget it. Each camera has a built-in solar panel and a massive 11,600 mAh battery. As long as you get some sunlight during the day, the battery stays charged year-round. There's no wiring, no running extension cords, and no need to climb up a ladder to recharge batteries every few months. It's perfect for remote areas or places where you don't want to deal with complicated installations. One of the biggest selling points is that there are no monthly fees. The system comes with a 64GB microSD card included, and you can expand the storage with an HDD up to 8 terabytes. All your footage is stored locally, not in the cloud. That means no subscriptions, no hidden costs, and complete privacy. You can even record continuously without worrying about ongoing fees. For security, the CYVIO system uses a combination of PIR and AI detection. The PIR sensor detects heat and motion, while the AI distinguishes between people and vehicles. This reduces false alarms from animals or leaves. When an intruder is detected, the camera activates a spotlight and a siren to actively deter them. You can also see what's happening in color at night, thanks to the color night vision feature. Another unique feature is that the system works even without internet. You can connect an HDMI cable directly to the NVR and view live footage or playback recordings on a monitor. This is great for locations where internet is unreliable or where you want an extra layer of security that's not dependent on cloud services. The camera resolution is true 4K, so you get crisp, detailed images. The build quality feels solid, and the cameras are weatherproof for outdoor use. Overall, the CYVIO 4K Solar Security Camera System is an excellent choice for anyone who needs reliable, wire-free security for large properties. The long-range Wi-Fi, solar power, and no subscription model make it a standout product. If you're tired of spotty Wi-Fi, climbing ladders to change batteries, or paying monthly fees, this system is worth considering.